thought we had plugged it in. The other plug socket don't work. It was plugged in a minute ago. Come on.
How long have you had your licence?
About 7 years.
To go around the mast there.
Well, Atlee.
Today is going to be a funny day. Hey everyone, welcome to this week's episode with LBC Exterior Cleaning. Today's a very bespoke episode. We're here at the LBC headquarters where John and Daniel are going to be trying to build LBC's own customised commercial bin cleaning truck. Now, a couple of years back, Conan's dream was to expand on his fleet and get some custom built commercial bin cleaning trucks. He found a company that agreed to do it. They completed the build for the first one and it's up and fully operational. Halfway into the build for the second one, sadly the company went into administration. Now Conan looked extensively for another company to complete the build. Sadly he couldn't find anyone, so he's decided to go alone and try and do it himself. What he's decided to do is he's bought a second-hand commercial bin cleaning truck. He's going to get it cleaned up, serviced, and he's going to take it off the old truck and put it onto his new one. It's quite a big job, but he's tasked John and Daniel to do the work today. So I'm here at the yard, I'm going to be catching up with John, and we're going to see how they take this old machinery, clean it up and get it onto the new one. It's a big job. Maybe they'll finish today, maybe they won't. So let's catch up with the guys now and let's see how they get on. Stay tuned. Big John Stud, how you doing?
Yeah, not too bad, mate. Not too bad.
Good. Right, so what's the first step of this big job today?
The first step, we've tried undoing the bolts, but they're rusted solid because obviously we use water. So I'm going to have to grind the bolts off to get the machine out the back of the truck.
And what's going to be your method today? How are you going to get these rusty bolts off?
Angle grinder.
Angle grinder. Angle grinder fails, what's your plan B? Is there a plan B? Or are you hoping that will work?
That'll work.
That should work?
Yeah.
All right, okay, so let's get these bolts off. I'll leave you to it. How many bolts are there, John?
As far as I know at the moment, 4.
4 bolts, okay.
So hopefully we'd undo them 4 bolts and then it should come out.
You've got a first fail, yeah? First of all, plug it in, yeah?
Plug the grinder in and it might work. You never know. I thought we had plugged it in. The other plug socket don't work. It was plugged in a minute ago. Come on.
Right. Today is going to be a funny day. PPE, very important.
Yeah, we got 1 bolt off, started on the second bolt. Hopefully this will solve the problem and we'll be able to get the engine out the back.
Okay, good. So far so good then.
Yep.
Disc grinder, working
Yep.
a treat. Let's have a
Yep.
quick look. There you go. First bolt. Top man. All right, I'll let you finish all these bolts. Daniel,
Hello, mate.
you're the forklift man today, yeah?
Yeah,
How long have you had your licence?
about 7 years.
So what's the idea? You're going to use the forklift to get the bit of kit off the old truck, yeah?
Yeah, we're just going to try and lift it first to make sure we've got all the bolts off. Providing it lifts, we're going to take it straight out. Drive the truck forwards so we don't drop the machine.
So as you can see here, that's the forklift. And that is a bit of machinery on the back. So going to attempt to get it off.
Where do you want it? Yeah. That's it.
Ratchet strap
Yeah.
to go around the mast there onto one of them brackets at the back.
John, I know you're a busy man. What's the plan? You just
We're going to ratchet strap it to the forklift because it's heavier that end. So hopefully this has solved the problem.
okay.
Hopefully.
Thinking on your feet, yeah?
Yeah.
A bit of ratchet strap.
Yeah.
Never straightforward, is it, these jobs?
No, they never are.
But Team LBC always figure out a way.
Yep.
Well, you bang your heads together
Well, sort of.
It's off, baby.
Yes!
It is off. Happy, Dad?
Well, happy. I want to see him move it now. Right, straighten up. Right, I'd say that'd do you there, Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not so much that end, but this end we're going to need something.
Woohoo!
Right, hold up, I've got to bring that van in and put it back here.
Right, Big John Stud. So phase 1 is done. That was very difficult. You've got the bit of kit off the old van.
Yeah.
You've got it down, stabilised. What's next?
What I'm going to do now, I'm going to do a full service on the engine. New oil, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new air filter, new hydraulic oil filter. And then on to stage 3, which is cleaning all the back of that lift off.
What are you going to attack first?
I'll just warm the engine up. I'm going to take the oil out of the engine now. And then once I've done that, change the oil filter, put new oil filter on, top it up with new oil, so it's got fresh oil in the engine.
So where's the oil filter on this?
Oil filter is this one here. This is the oil filter here.
Gotcha. Okay.
And the sump plug for this, which I've never seen before, is there.
Gotcha. Okay.
So I just open that up, drain all the oil out of the engine, take the oil filter off, put new oil filter on, screw that on, fill it up, back up with oil. And then once I've done that, I will do the fuel filter. Start that oil.
Right, John, so that's all the filters and stuff all cleaned up and done.
Yeah.
What's next?
Right, I'm going to clean up the metal work on the actual bin lift at the back, so we can get back to the nice shiny metal, and then we're going to paint it with a primer and then paint it with a colour, so it
Gotcha.
don't look as rusty.
We've had a bit of a mare though, what is it, wire brushes ain't turned up.
Yeah, the wire brushes ain't turned up, so I'm going to try my best with a sanding disc.
Gotcha.
So,
okay. All right. So
we'll
do what you can with that, and then
Yeah.
when you get the brushes, spritz it up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
mate.
Right, that's what it's like with all the yellow and the rusty bits. And I'm going to try and get back to the metal like that, so it's all nice and shiny. Then primer it and then paint it.
Right, John. Wrapping up for the day. So you've done all the service, all the filters and oil.
Yeah.
You've taken down off all the rust off the metal. Okay. So we're going to wrap up for the day.
Yeah.
So what's left to do then?
Primer the back lift bit that took the rust off, paint it, and then we're going to be putting this up onto the new truck on the back. All that's coming off, we're putting it on the back here, and then this will be our new commercial bin truck.
Nice. Okay. So really, this is part 1
Yeah.
of a 2-part series. Yeah. So
Yeah,
the next video will be more just finishing off the priming and getting it onto the new vehicle. Yeah. All right, John. Good work today, my friend. Well done. And thanks for your efforts. We'll see you see you next week for the
for the big reveal.
for the big reveal. Yeah. Nice one. Cheers, John.
All right, cheers, mate. See you later.
So I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Part 1 of LBC's customised commercial bin cleaning truck. I hope you can tune in for the following episode where they'll be completing the build and putting it on to the new van and seeing the end product. It's going to be great. If you're enjoying LBC's content, make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.